Mathematics is a methodical application of math. It is said because the subject makes a man methodical or systematic. Mathematics makes our life orderly and prevent chaos. Certain qualities that are nurtured by mathematics are power of reasoning, creativity, abstract or spatial thinking, critical thinking, problem-solving ability, and even effective communication skills. Mathematics is a cradle of all creations, without which world cannot move an inch. Be it a cook or a farmer, a carpenter or a mechanic, a shopkeeper or a doctor, an engineer or a scientist, and a magician. Everyone needs mathematics in their day-to-day life. Even insects use mathematics in their everyday of life. Anyone can be a mathematician if one is given proper guidance and training in the formative period of one's life. Math is significant, but it has a problem. According to the Trends International Mathematics and Science Study, or TIMSS, tells that among 45 countries that participated in the study for 8th grade students, the Philippines ranked 41st. Math is normally considered as the most difficult subject in the country's basic education curriculum. According to Rappler, fourth-year high school students displayed a downward trend in math. Math solves a problem, but some people categorize it as a problem. How is that? A lot of Filipino has difficulty towards math. More students got low grades in math than those who perform well. In this video, we want to understand each of these people, what math is for them and how they categorize it.
Math is difficult. Why? Because even you know what's the formula, but di ka kasabot sa pag-apply a certain problem.
Math for me is difficult. Kanang mag-solve ka og mga problems like simple problems lang pero lisod jud kayo siya. Pero lisod jud.
Okay, so math for me it's a difficult subject. First word ako ma-associate with math is difficult, hard. Kay lisod man siya kayang subject and it's not my favorite. Yeah, lisod kay ko strong ang subject, but so na siya practical purposes. Kay in everyday life we need to use math and I'm starting to love it but not really. Pero okay ra sad. And math has helped me in a lot of ways. It made me strong, especially in challenges na dili ko ganahan. It made me a stronger person in terms of, you know, solving problems that I don't know or I don't really like to. It taught me not to give up. It taught me how to overcome struggles. So even though math is not my favorite subject, it's been helpful in my life and I appreciate it. So probably I won't regret learning math because we all do. And I think madapanin ako siya until nanto.
Para nako math kay everything. But at the same time, nothing. Bitaw ka na bang gana ko higugmao na akong math, pero kana bang kasabot naman ita nga dili lisod jud higugmao ng mga butang nga dili mo higugmo nimo. Hindi ko niya ang ihatag na ko kay 4 pagkapinan pag 25. Pero na bisa ang amazing lang gid na kay ang math kay mismo sa gamay nga mga butang sa itlog, sa pinya, pagka nagay po yung math, and which is why math is amazing.
Math, well, wait a minute, let me think. Math. Well,
Nanigrado sa pre-cal ba?
Oh, pasar, yes!
Sa ka! Ayan, nila ay!
Ako sa
dumb student when it comes to math. I think I'm one of the people who hate math. Like, my brain is so not functioning when it comes to number. It is difficult. Yeah, like I get sleep when it is math class, like a deep, deep sleep. In my senior high school days, I got no grade in pre-calculus in my first and second grading because my score was very low. Oh my god. I know it's not funny, but for me it is. Even though I am not a brilliant person in math, I realized a lot. Mathematics taught me a lot. Math helped me cope with my life. Like, it helped me think logically in my life. Addition, multiplication, subtraction, and division are the fundamentals of mathematics. But also, these things are the fundamentals in life. It is a tool for survival. If this thing is nothing, everything on earth would be nothing. Like what it says that math is a language. Yeah, math is a language, of course. A language that tells about the world. I think why math is difficult? Because life in the world is hard to understand. You will be stressed. We are living on earth, so we are living with math. Math is everywhere. Math tells a lot about myself. I think I don't need to be a brilliant person to be knowledgeable about math. What we need is courage and appreciation. This is all you need. Everything takes time. I know learning math takes time, but the important part is as long as you learn, because learning is significant in life, and math makes a true harmonic life.
I love math, I love math, I love math. I love math, I love math, I love math. We love math!
Did you know that mathematics is everywhere? Yes, you heard it right. Mathematics is everywhere. And when I say everywhere, I really mean it everywhere. As you can see, there is a pattern in this building. For mathematics is still present. And as you can see, it uses a speedometer to measure its speed of the car. And also in technology, they uses also programming to completely create a gadget just like this.